Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings. In them, you need to scroll down and tap on display and brightness. After that, click on this gray sweater next to auto brightness feature. And as you can see, now auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, you can do that by tapping on the same, now green sweater. You can also go into tab menu instead and click on this little icon next to brightness slider to switch on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!